Imagine if right now, every single human on Earth suddenly vanished into thin air.
What would happen to the world we left behind? Within just a few hours, the world would go completely dark. Power plants would run out of fuel, and city lights would shut off one by one. After a few days, it's bad news for our pets and farm animals. Millions of them locked inside would struggle, forcing the strongest to break out and learn how to hunt in the wild to survive. Fast forward 1 month, the cooling water in nuclear power plants would evaporate, leading to massive meltdowns and radiation zones expanding across the globe. By year 1, the sky would put on a spectacular show. Without humans to correct their orbits, our satellites would fall back to Earth like mechanical shooting stars. At 25 years, nature takes back her space. Paved roads would crack open, covered in thick weeds, and city streets would officially become wild forests. Around 300 years without maintenance. The grandest steel structures, like the Eiffel Tower and massive suspension bridges, would rust, snap, and collapse into the rivers below. 10,000 years in, almost everything we built is gone. Only massive stone structures, like the pyramids and Mount Rushmore, would still stand as silent monuments. Skip forward 50 million years. The only evidence we ever existed would be a thin layer of compressed plastic and glass buried deep within the Earth's crust. The ultimate takeaway? The Earth doesn't need us to survive. If humanity vanished tomorrow, the planet would simply heal, adapt, and move on just fine without us. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe.